What's up, Minitruck?
I'm gonna try a little something here. Took two of the same exact Suzukis for a ride, and one of them felt like it had so much more power on the higher RPM pull, and you could actually hear the carburetor. Yeah, I was like, whoa. Me and Matt look at each other. I'm like, this thing really pulls hard compared to mine and compared to the other one. So we're looking at it, and instead of having the air intake going to the frame like all the rest of them do, this one had it going up into like just a little tiny T-box into the air. So I'm just going to pull the air cleaner off, which is up higher than the Airbox. Not the air cleaner, but the intake. And run it without the tube and just see what it does. Because this, you know how you rev it out and you think it would be like a motorcycle as the RPMs go up? It doesn't. There's a little heat thing. Maybe that's part of the problem. That thing should have been open by now. Because there's a little thing that flips, that sucks up and makes it suck from this tube all the way across. But I already drove it. I mean, that should be down by now. Now it's still sucking it from the hot exhaust. Look.
Oh no,
now it's closed.
It closed itself. It was moving.
Yeah, the vacuum does it. I'm gonna pull the vacuum hose. I want to look into those. They got them fuel injection kits. I wonder if I can get one to fit on here. The ones that look like a carburetor. And there's two vacuum lines that go into this. I'm just gonna cap this off. Definitely better. Definitely an improvement.
So I decided to pull the whole airbox instead.
Doesn't make sense why you got a hole that big that goes sucking from the carburetor. Just sucking from there. And that's blocked off. That's totally choked out.
Yeah.
There's nowhere else it can get air from. I mean, you could see the size of this carburetor. I mean, that's a big carburetor there. Yeah, 48, 50 millimeter. I'm talking the outside.
Damn.
So you're going from 50, from 40 to 50. So it's like from 1.5 inches to 2 inches. There has to be something that's like this big around. Winchester coffee. Yep. I mean, for now.
If this works, I'll find another cover to run the intake to a safer location.
Oh, just like a racer now, boy. You hear that? Oh, Mini. Holy shit. Wow.
A great success.
Mini the Explorer.
You can lead the way.
Can you throw? Jeez. I don't know where to winch to if we go down there, Minnie. We're gonna have to come back. Mini truck. We're gonna have to come back and we have backup, Minnie. Mini truck. Modified the air cleaner.
Is it more ballsy now with the Airbox?
Yeah.
God, dude, that's awesome.
Yeah, it runs pretty good now. That's happened. Water?
Oh, my fucking cap keeps coming undone.
I was following him down the road and it blew up.
The thing literally just went, it was like, pow, and died.
Flames came out. It started.
Wow.
Flame.
You got track going, huh?
Yeah, it's looking good. They've been working on this since yesterday.
What's up, Minitruck?
Yeah, mini truck.
Minitruck.
Instead of the gas cock.
Tyler Belch is like, I fucking
Your gas cocked the wrong way?
probably gonna be asking where you
Oh. You gotta make sure you put your gas cock the right way.
Yeah. You never called it that?
A pet cock?
Minitruck.
Fuck, I'm gonna eat shit.
Loose, so there's a gap. On the side, I tore it too.
Then 2 wheels.
I think he pushed the button for 4.
It's on, I need to click it.
If you're gonna try to get out on the road, you're gonna need it.
I can't believe he did the upgrade. Like, you know what I mean?
Is this one a different one of my uncle's? Or is this Mitsubishi?
This is a HiJet.
It'll slip. You don't.
Over to Jackie's car and
Get in the back.
No, I'm the wrong
Oh boy.
Just don't spin it up and put it in 4-wheel drive, you know. So bang, yeah.
I'll stop, hit the button, and then
Yeah, don't
Yeah.
go easy. Don't break my back.
Wow, that clutch feels good.
Track girl certified Grab the torch!
Minitruck. This fucking thing is good.
Oh, you got it. That's nothing. It's live. Live. Just watch him. Oh! I got him. Mini truck, the rescue.
You alright?
Get him, mini truck. Uh-oh, Jeep's in the mix. Look out, here comes mini truck. Ah, I missed another one.
Oh shit, you nuts! Oh, this thing is fucking fucked! You alright? Ben, the bars? You don't want none?
We go. Jesus. Whoa.
What are you doing?
Same spot.
Yeah! What now, Andrew? Don't blow it up! Oh! Got a stick in the wheel well! Oh no! What are we gonna do? Try to break it down.
Try to back it up.
That last one you had was good. Oh, that thing runs good.
That thing fucking tears it up.
Woo! Lift! Woo! Yeah, boy! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. You ain't gonna get enough speed, man. Oh.
Help me win a contest, little elf? Sure. Starts with a little drinky pool.
You're fucked, Mr. Leahy.
Couple of drinks, Randy.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want notifications on new videos. I have links for all of the products I use in the description and on motorcheese.com. Thanks for watching.